Guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some delicious chocolate chip cookies. This recipe makes 8 cookies, so if you want more or less, you can just divide the ingredients or multiply them. This recipe also includes butter, so you're going to want to leave it out for a little bit so it can soften. You're going to need a mixing bowl and some measuring cups. That's it. What you're going to need is half a cup of butter, 1/4 cup of sugar, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 3/4 cups of chocolate chips, but you can use any amount of chocolate chips that you'd like. When you're baking, you might want to set up the oven to 350. It is optional to stir the ingredients by hand, or you can just put it in a mixer, but I'm going to be stirring it by hand. Your butter is soft, half a cup, and put your butter in it. You have your butter, pour it in. You have your sugar, pour it in as well. Your brown sugar.
You want to make a video out of that?
Sugar is all mixed. Add your egg and vanilla extract. You're going to get half a teaspoon of baking soda.
So here I did mess up a little bit because you were supposed to add 1/4 cup of flour at a time so it wouldn't get bulky while mixing. But I made the mistake of adding 1 cup of flour at once, so that's why it's really hard to mix and it's kind of bulky. So if you did not add your flour yet, please do not add 1 cup of flour at once and add 1/4 cup at a time and mix it so it doesn't look like this. And that's what I'm saying in this clip, you just can't hear it.
Now, if you do want to add chocolate chips, feel free to, but if you do not, just skip this step. I am doing a mix of dark chocolate and white chocolate, but if you want, you can just make dark chocolate ones, or milk chocolate, whichever ones you like. In the end, it should look like this, but get ready to use a pan. You're going to spray your pan for safety and put parchment paper on top so it doesn't stick. Make the balls as small as you like or as big as you like. Now it's time for the easiest part, to put them in the oven. Clean up your space while the cookies are baking. Cookies bake for 10 to 13 minutes.
They are chocolate chip cookies.
Taste test. At home.